Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the drawing and clicking the Layout tab you plan to move. This gives you direct control. Once done, make sure viewports are set and locked if you don't want views to shift, because unlocked viewports shift when reordering. You should also save a backup or a copy of the file before changing layout order, so you can revert quickly. Now you're ready to use the Layout tab tools and context menu to move the sheet where you want it. You can drag the Layout tab along the tab bar to reposition it quickly. This is the fastest visual method. If you need precision, right-click the tab and choose Move or Rename to place it relative to other tabs, which avoids accidental scale changes. For many sheets, open Sheet Set Manager and reorder layouts there. It updates titles and references consistently across your project. Make sure to refresh any external. You finish by updating Page Setup Manager and verifying plot styles so prints match expectations. Changing position can require reassigning page setups. If a viewport moved, unlock it, nudge, or reset the view, then lock it again to preserve the scale. This fixes most appearance problems. If the layout behaves oddly or errors appear, run Recover or Audit on the drawing because those commands repair corruption. Finally, save your file and, if needed, save a second copy with the new layout order for records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.